Anything else that catches your fancy when it comes to mid caps, small caps, or even large caps? And a very happy new year.
So happy New Year to you and to all our guests who are listening in. Uh, I believe that SBI Bharat Electric Heavy Electricals is has I've been mentioning it to you all the way from 100. We are now at 200, and we are possibly headed to much higher, given the fact that the second quarter is going to be significantly positive. We also like BEL, which has been flashed on a screen. That stock has started moving up. Uh, in the look at Ambuja, which has not moved up. That is due for a rating. Look at Deepak Fertilizers. I think that is a very interesting and a very strong stock to look at, because FY25 they will start production of their expanded capacities in TAN. So this is one stock. And look at the fertilizer stories; they're all looking good. Coromandel fertilizers, especially when it is transforming to a specialty chemicals play, it can turn out to be a multi-bagger. So while there can be concerns in the market, there are so many pockets which are moving in this market that trying to call a top in this market can be precarious.
What's really interesting is how the fertilizer space moved yesterday, Vineet. We've seen a record move coming on GNFC. Of course, that's primarily also due to the buyback that's been announced. But public sector enterprises, RCF, FACT, National Fertilizers, within the private space, as you very rightly mentioned, Coromandel, uh, Khaitan Chemicals. What's really driving this underlying momentum as far as fertilizer stocks and sector is concerned, Vineet?
I simply believe that it is more of a broad-based rally fanning out. Stocks getting into money is now chasing relatively cheaper valuations where the risk is low, given the fact that the some of the star performers of 23 have really been leveraged very high. So I believe that we are going to see these stocks, and they're quasi chemical, specialty chemical kind of. So you take GNFC, you talk about deeper fertilizers, and there's a lot of transition to also the fact that we are getting those newer versions of urea that are coming in. So the working capital cycles are going to be lower, cost of production is going to be lower. So I believe all these things are contributing to the fact that we should see the fertilizers sector perform very strongly.